Osaka station now, and we're gonna go take the JR line to go to Osaka station to head to our hotel. I just checked in at Zentis Osaka. It's quite a nice room. It looks really new and clean. This is the view. This is the shower. It's a see-through shower. So I guess there's a way to conceal the see-through shower.
Oh yeah, it's gonna stay.
First stop. Coming here to get my dream necklace. So excited.
YouTube.
Yes, YouTube.
This color is nice too.
Oh, yeah, it's
So anyway, we're at the Shinsaibashi outlet. Bracelet is sold out in all colors, so I won't be able to try that today.
How is it?
Yeah, thank you. They recommended us to come this place for some yakitori. So huge, eh? Oh my gosh. A little rainy, chilly morning today. So mine comes with the demi-glaze sauce and also white sauce.
Mine is onion and garlic.
Try both.
Try it. Oh, is it?
Like you don't have to tie.
Oh. Very good.
Pick a movie. I'll pick you up. We'll go
You
get
see?
sushi.
You say why the pool got blusher one?
Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh.
What is this?
Still.
It's really a crying one.
My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
So we got some game coupons from shopping here, so we're just gonna give it a try at the claw machine.
Oh.
Now we're gonna have sushi for dinner. All the sushi that we selected.
Just want to say.
We're stopping at GU, which is like the sister brand of Uniqlo. Oh my gosh, I love the girls' boots selection. Okay, I'm going to try this on. Now we are matching. Look. Getting his morning coffee. The reception lounge area at our hotel is so pretty and cozy. So Google Maps even told us which car train to board for the fastest transfers. Oh, so cute! Nice little baby.
Rejected. Let's get in the mall.
Okay. Oh my god, they're fighting. Wagyu.
If you want spicy, you can add on top.
Yeah.
Ipos mo ng tanggalin mo! Oh!
Guys,
The pool, right?
we chose the matcha flavor. So today is our last day in Osaka and we are actually checking out of our hotel right now before we start the day. So we initially planned to visit Osaka Castle. Unfortunately, it started raining and it was quite inconvenient to explore the area in the rain. But we still managed to catch a glimpse of the autumn leaves, which were really nice. Time to have pasta for dinner.
Set drink.
Matcha latte. Look at how soft it is.
Okay.
I think there's like just a little bit of furring that I'm not 100% sure about. Alright, so we're back in our hotel, collected our luggages, and we'll see you guys in Kyoto. Bye!